Experts are predicting that lower cabinets are the outdated design trend that are now being replaced by by drawers. Do you agree?
I personally love drawers because it's one motion to access what's inside. When you're cooking, you're going boom, one motion. Okay, and you've got access to everything inside that cabinet. Another option is a rollout tray, but look, one, two. The beauty of a rollout tray is you can fit more in it because the face frame is completely open. You have more room for taller items, but it's still two motions when you're talking about function in the kitchen. One, two, versus one. Then it comes to aesthetics because you have a door with your hardware going this way, or it's a knob, or you have the drawer where the hardware is going that way. When you have that all over the kitchen and all these lines, so aesthetically it makes a difference for a door versus a drawer. I think this is trending. It functions better in my opinion. A big drawer is so useful. Everything in the cabinet just came out and it's accessible easily. So it's really a matter, the hardware that you're picking, all of that makes a difference in the overall look of the kitchen. But I do think people are gravitating toward drawers.